space and time. Truth is built by those who dare to see the world and take it there. We are the spark, we are the sound.